When children and youth can no longer safely remain with their families, it's up to us to ensure they are joined with a family who meets their needs. Families who understand and support them individually. Families who support keeping them with their siblings in their same communities and schools. And those committed to reuniting them with their family when the time comes. To help us improve outcomes for children and youth in foster care, we've put our diligent recruitment approach into practice. It's a federally required plan to identify, support, and retain foster and adoptive families who reflect the children in a foster care system and who can meet their unique needs. But it goes beyond a written strategy. It's what guides more positive outcomes for children in foster care and the families who care for them. That success starts with the right information and data to drive our efforts and includes regularly checking that data for changes and updates. This helps focus recruiting efforts on the communities where the children are from, helps identify potential partnerships in that community, and provides the right tools for our foster families to best support the needs of children and youth. Diligent recruitment is also how we engage with families, setting a standard of clear, consistent, and timely communication that is respectful and compassionate to their needs. It's making sure we offer responsiveness training to our child welfare workers and community partners, who can then apply this knowledge to their recruitment and retention efforts with various communities. Diligent recruitment means we prioritize kinship care. We identify kin and people with an existing relationship with the children and youth. It's also supporting relatives who step forward and continuously fostering the relationship with relatives until permanency is achieved. It also shows up in our commitment to listening to youth voices, giving them a seat at the table to drive our policies and procedures, and their own futures. It's making sure any images used in our marketing and resources reflect the children and youth we serve, and helps families see themselves as an integral part of the support given to children, youth, and their families in need of foster care service. We each play a role in diligent recruitment, from the professionals working hand in hand with families to our child welfare system leaders drafting policies. We are using data to guide our recruitment of families, develop and support them, and provide essential training to support communities and youth. Through diligent recruitment, we are improving the outcomes for all children and youth in our care, each and every day.